All right, 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1 is the formula for our sequence, and we're summing up terms in this sequence. So if we let n be 1, just substitute 1 into your formula, and you get 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1, which is 1/2. If we let n be 2, that's going to be 1/2 minus 1/3. n be 3, that's going to be 1/3 minus 1/4, and continue on. Now look what happens. The last one will cancel with the first one of the next one. So no matter how many terms you have in your sequence or in your sum, you're always going to have a 1 left, and then you're going to have this last piece here. So let's look at and we're trying to figure out the sum of our sequence is greater than 9/10. That's what we're trying to figure out. So clue 1 says k is greater than 10. So if k is greater than 10, let's let k equal 11. If k equals 11, well, my first term, so we're trying to sum up the first k terms. So the first term is always going to be 1 minus 1/2. And then you're going to have plus, dot, dot, dot. What will be that last term will be k equal 11. That'll be 1 over 11 minus 1 over 12. And you know this one's going to cancel out with that one. So you're left, of course, this is going to cancel out with the next one. So you're left with 1 minus 1/12. And that's 12 over 12 minus 1/12. And that's 11 over 12. And that's greater than 9/10 because 11 divided by 12, 11 by 12, that's going to be 9 times 2 is 18. And that's going to be 108, and subtract, and you're going to be 20. 12 will go into 20 one time, so you're greater than 9/10. Now think about it. Let me see, let's say if k is 15, you're going to be left with 1 minus 1 over 16. So that's going to be 16 over 16 minus 1 over 16, which is 15 over 16. So you're subtracting a smaller fraction, so this is getting bigger. So clue 1 works. Clue 2 says k is less than 19. K is less than 19. Well, you know that it works for 10. It works for k 11 and 15. It's going to work all the way up to 18. So let's look at values of k that are smaller. I'm running out of board space. So let's let k be 5. 5 is less than 19. If k equals 5, you're going to be left with 1 minus 1/6. And that's 6 over 6 minus 1/6, which is 5/6. And 5/6, that's 5 divided by 6. Where can I do that? 5 divided by 6 is going to be 48. 8 times 6 is 48. So it's not bigger than 9/10. So only clue 1 works. Answer's A.